Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are making chicken lice soup. I've got my chicken nicely washed in a pot. I've put in some tomato paste, 1 teaspoon. So to season our chicken and give it the nice taste, I am going to use garlic, black pepper corns, seeds, black peppers guys, anise, 1 star anise, and ginger. So I've got onions here that I'll be using, and I've got some fresh thyme. Guys, try the fresh thyme, it's quite nice, it tastes amazing. So, and I'm going to throw in my chicken seasoning on it. So fresh tomatoes, 2 scotch bonnets, 1 quacoshito, this small green pepper, chilies, and onions here. And I've got some Aden fruits and fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna use 3. And in here I've got bell pepper. I'm using only half bell pepper, and it gives it a nice taste. So let's that way. So on my blender I'm going to throw in the star anise. You don't have to blend it, so you just put it in to give it the. I appreciate everyone that has subscribed to the channel. Thank you. So I'm going to blend these black peppercorns. Making this soup so nice and tasty. So I'm adding some of my green blend sauce in here, all the green spice that I've blended, and with our ginger, garlic, and the black pepper seeds, I'm going to add half of it to the soup, and I'll add the rest later. Needs to cook, so we are going to add in our Maggi cube for taste. So now we're covering it for everything to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. We continue. Season your meat with salt. It's divine. So now I'm going to add in my fresh tomatoes to cook so that I can blend them all together. This one you don't need to, you blend everything together and off you go. Right guys, it's been like 20 minutes, so everything is nice. A nice blend here. I'm not gonna strain it, I'm just gonna put it in. So if your blender is not, I think this is just fresh tomato, so you don't have to, but if you really want your soup to be very light, you can just strain it so you get everything out. So now I'm going to allow it to just simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Try this fresh bay leaves. I've got them and it's gonna go off the date, so I've put everything in here. It's not gonna stop anything. It will just give the aroma and the taste and the flavor it gives your food is so amazing. So just try the fresh bay leaves with your soups and everything. And even if you're making palm soup, you can still try it in it. Palm nut soup is still good with it as well. So at this stage we leave our soup to cook for about 30 minutes, then I'm done. Because so guys, the rest of our blend sauce I'm gonna add it in the same blend. If you have some pawpaw and you want to have maybe pele with it for your dessert, you can just throw this on it. Add a bit peppers to it and off you go. So I've added teaspoons of it now to our soups to help it to finish cooking. So I'm going to move my soup to the other gas so I can just preparing my food. So guys, look, our soup is done. Everything is in here. We got okra in here. I've got a bad habit of adding eggs to my soup, so I've got eggs in here. So there you go. I like to eat fufu with eggs, so let's serve this. So I've got some okra. See you in another video. God bless you all. Bye.